Ava Snyder. Ava is being pinned by her mother, Kelly. Ava is interested in pursuing a job as a labor and delivery nurse in Charleston, South Carolina. She would like to thank her parents, her sisters, and her grandmother for always encouraging her and believing in her. She would also like to thank her boyfriend for being her rock throughout nursing school. She says she could not have gotten through nursing school without all of their love and support. Ava would like to congratulate all her classmates on surviving the past 4 years and wishes them good luck as they start this next chapter.